In this video, we are going to create sheets. After creating view frames, what we have to do is create sheets. Currently, I have opened my create sheets drawing. So what you have to do here now is, you have to go to output tab and move to create sheets. Click here. Then it will give us the view frame group we have created. So you can either select all view frames or otherwise you can select selection of view frames, and our sheets will be created in the current drawing. You can try other options as well if you like, but I prefer to go with the all layouts in the current drawing. So for my layout name, I just change this as view frame start row station dash view frame in row station. I will change the starting number to 1. It does not have any sense here, but I just change it. I click OK now. Then for the north arrow, in our title block or in our template drawing, plan production template drawing, you have two blocks. One is title block and the other one is the north arrow. This arrow 6 is the north arrow. We have to select the block for the north arrow from here. Then I click next. Then it will create a sheet set for us. So we will say our sheet set is EFG, that's for view frame group road DCL, and it shows the sheet set storage location where it will be at our drawing completed drawing location. So I go to next here. Then it is asking some other things. For the other profile view options, I will go to choose settings and go to profile view wizard. I will uncheck this option and set this option to mean elevation when you are creating the profile view, and then click next. And from here you have to specify one more thing. You have to specify for your finish ground profile, which is road FG. For the finish ground profile, you have to set the label as new road profile labels. Then click OK. Then move on to next again. Then here for profile view bands, you have to set vertical geometry, that should be road FG, and for finish ground, both columns you have to set road FG, that is for finish ground profile. Right, now I click next and next again, and you have to select how the profile views are created. I will select upper left and it will create profile views at left side to right side, and if after 4 rows it will go down and go back again like in the same manner. So then I click finish. Then I have to set the align views, so it will align my profile and plan. This is plan, this is profile. It will align at the start and move forward. In other case, you can align at the middle and move forward, and align at the end and move backward. So the best option is align at the start and move forward. That is because the profile view is a horizontal line, but the plan view has curves, so the length in plan may be little bit different from the length in profile. That is why we are align the profile view at plan and profile at some station. So we will align it at the start station. Then I click create sheets. Then it will say this drawing will be saved. So I accept to save it. Then it is asking select profile view origin to create the profile view. So I will click somewhere here. So you can see it will create some profile views. There is a notification that we created the profile views, and we get this sheet sets. We will understand the sheet sets later. So it will give some distracted view, but if you type regenerate or regenerate all in the command line, it will get back to normal. So this is the 3 profile views, and these are the 3 sheets created. So this is from 0 to 600, this is from 600 to 1200, and this is up to the end. So if you move in here, you can see we have the plan here, you have the profile here. So if you can remember, when we are defining the name here, we set the name here as current sheet title. So it is giving the title of the layout to this box. So that is what we are doing there. We are matching the layout tab name to the sheet title here. Here is, so it is here, it is also the same. So now we have created the sheets. In the next video we will see how to modify them.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.